Born in a small town of Rajasthan, Medta city, came to Chennai when I was 3 years old, studied in a matriculation school. Although I was very weak in studies, my parents thought of giving me a better education, admitted me in a CBSE school. I was very shy and a silent guy, never used to take part in any activities, nor I won any certification in my academic. I was feeling very lonely. Ultimately, I got failed in class 8. My class teacher punished me by putting that answer sheet on my shirt where I scored very low mark and told me that you have to go to every class and display these marks. I felt ashamed and embarrassed. The same year, my parents shifted to Bangalore for business expansion. I also came to Bangalore with them, hoping something good may happen to me. I gave an entrance exam in a school for the admission, but unfortunately, as I was weak, I got failed over there also. With no other option, I have to go back to Chennai and stay with my Bade Pitaji far away from my parents. Same year, the school gave us an option that if you want to get fast, qualify for the next year to ninth standard, we have an option. We were 13 students who got failed from all the section. So the school gave an option that if you complete ninth and 10th standard in an open university, that is Indira Gandhi National Open School, you complete 10th standard and again come back to 11th standard in our school. With no other option, we 13 students were put in a separate classroom where our classroom was called as a failure classroom. We couldn't able to face other friends. Everybody used to tease us. I couldn't handle that. But anyhow, I completed my degree by just passing mark and came to Bangalore with no aim. I don't know what to do further in my life. 6 months was terrible in Bangalore as I was very shy and couldn't able to speak to anyone. I couldn't able to make friend in Bangalore. Ultimately, I thought that I should go back to Chennai. But just a thought, my father told that why don't you join any course in Bangalore where you can make friends. I joined post graduation PGDBA in Jain College, but within 3 months I got engaged, so I left the studies. Next, I didn't know what to do. My friend Amit Rathi, a childhood friend from Chennai, called me that there is a course which is recently started in Bangalore, Alma Mater. Why don't you join that? Listening to his words, I joined Alma Mater, the second batch of Alma Mater in Bangalore. Friends, believe me, that was my turning point in my life. That was a game changer. Deepak Shinde, my guru, trained me, motivated me, guided me, taught me how to live a life. I never turned back from there. I never thought myself as a loser, as a failure. With full motivation, I joined my family business, which is into two-wheeler and automobile loans. My dad has tied up with two showrooms and complete accounts were managed manually. Complete records were on the books. Within span of 3 years, from two showroom to 30 showroom, complete accounts were digitalized. All the seizing team, collection department, and agencies were maintained online, and we became one of the top private financier in Bangalore. That gave me a huge boost. But this motivation didn't stop here. I wanted to do something which keeps me motivated. My uncle Dinesh Tatid is a top most financial advisor since 2004 in insurance industry. He has achieved all the highest recognitions and traveled around 40 countries representing insurance. Luckily, I got opportunity to travel with him to a trip to Malaysia. I saw people getting awards on the stage and traveling across the world. This motivated me, and my uncle supported me, and I came into this business of financial planning. In the year 2013, I started a company called Smart Policy. Today, it's a well known brand in Bangalore for all your financial needs. From one company to 19 companies in 9 years. I was facilitated by Sachin Tendulkar. I have traveled 18 companies to represent insurance. I was facilitated in a book called Outlook Magazine, which is the best financial book in the industry, for completing 3 times MDRT from Tata AIA by just selling term plans. This was a great achievement to me. Our company has sponsored event like JCA Bangalore Garden City Cricket Tournament, JCA Smart Policy Cup, and Mutual Fund Sahi Hai. I was also awarded the Kamal Patra Award from Zone 14 for the business excellence. This all achievement I've got after that course which I've done. My Guru Deepak Shinde, I owe him. A child who was a failure, shy, never used to speak to anyone, always depressed. Today is a successful businessman, a successful financial planning, owes a company with 15,000 customer base. When I can do it, you can also do it. Thank you JCI BGC for giving this opportunity to present my story to everyone. Thank you once again.